Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to unclog a sink naturally. Most of your drain problems in a sink usually occur somewhere between the drain inside the sink all the way down into the drain where it goes into the sewer. Okay. Just like that. Most of your blockages are going to occur somewhere in here because the gravity is going down and then things just sit in here. Okay? So a lot of times you can just remove the P-trap and clean out the inside of your P-trap here, and that'll usually take care of any kind of stop-ups that you got in your sink. Okay? Now if this thing is clear and it's still not draining properly, you've got some kind of blockage here, either in the tailpiece or you've got some kind of blockage somewhere inside the sewer line. Okay? If there's no blockage here in the tailpiece, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to use a snake, and you're going to have to remove your tailpiece here, and then you're actually going to have to put your snake into the sewer line and try to dislodge whatever's blocking it up that way. Okay, if you have any more questions about this, you can contact me at jnchomerepair.com.